Hello everyone. Topic of this research is use of information technologies in marketing tools for the formation of an educational platform by Ihor Ponomarenko, Volodymyr Pavlenko, Oksana Morhulets, Andrii Fedorchenko and Vladyslav Pylypenko. Ensuring the effectiveness of the implementation of the educational process in modern conditions involves solving a set of tasks that will allow the development of effective solutions that quickly adapt to changes in the influence of external and internal environmental factors. The complexity of creating a modern product in the educational field requires the implementation of an effective management model that will ensure the effectiveness of the functioning of all parties involved in the project. One of the modern approaches involves the use of Learning Management System or LMS, the creation of educational resources using innovative technologies and modern digital marketing tools will allow effective cooperation with the target audience which is interested in obtaining modern skills and abilities using training programs based on distance learning. Identification of the target audience and interaction thanks to the use of modern marketing strategies allows companies and universities to significantly increase the loyalty of potential users and identify directions for the development of the educational product. The distribution of machine learning algorithms in modern conditions make it possible to use the data accumulated thanks to the educational platform about the various activities of the participants in the educational process. The use of powerful servers allows universities to constantly accumulate large amounts of information in accordance with a justified system of metrics. Given the automatic data collection based on the business intelligence system, the number of relevant indicators can be very large. The flexibility of the data collection system allows universities to quickly change the set of metrics that are accumulated by the educational platform in the process of interaction with the participants of the educational process. There are a large number of machine learning algorithms that can be integrated into an educational product in order to process large amounts of information and optimize target results. Among the most effective algorithms in modern conditions, it's advisable to pay attention to neural networks that allow processing large volumes of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured information. Based on the specifics of the use of neural networks in practical activities, the specified algorithm can be used as part of an educational product to ensure the following results. First, classification of participants in the educational process. Next, recommendation systems. And last, predictive models, which we can use with neural networks. Next, the development of machine learning leads to the emergence of more effective methods of processing large arrays of various information. At this stage, artificial intelligence is very popular, which allows to exploration of big data at a qualitatively new level and the formulation of optimal management solutions. Due to the flexibility of machine learning algorithms and the possibility of constant learning, artificial intelligence will constantly expand the areas of use in various types of economic activity. One of the directions of using artificial intelligence is the generation of text content, photos and videos. Among the latest products, it's appropriate to pay attention to the development of the company OpenAI, which brought to the market a new service for generating complex images. Third, DALL-E, which is interconnected with ChatGPT. DALL-E is advisable to use to generate images that are related to the learning process. Thank you for watching us, stay safe and have a good day.